YouTube algorithm will not push your video until you fix this. If you have been posting consistently on YouTube platform, you have been trying your best to have this view and subscribers, yet you are not getting it, it means something is wrong somewhere. That is why you need to watch this video, because I will be explaining to you guys why you need to take your SEO seriously in order to get more views on YouTube. Now let me tell you something. YouTube is not harsh on anybody, because YouTube make money from us placing on your content. You get percentage from the advert placed on your content. If you think that the algorithm hits you, no, it means something is wrong somewhere. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. I am Adiola. On this channel, guys, we give you tips on how to grow YouTube very well, how to get views as well as subscribers as soon as possible. So in this particular video, guys, I'll be giving to you something you need to fix up now so that YouTube will start pushing your video. If you fix these particular things I want to review to you guys in this video, YouTube algorithm will start pushing your video. Even you can as well go and repeat the same process on your old videos. Guys, this is what I did on this particular channel that give me about 23,500 subscribers. When I started this channel, guys, I know nothing about SEO. When I started implementing SEO, guys, then the channel keep growing, and it grows very fast. That is why, guys, in this particular channel, I have make it a date with you guys to give you tips on what you can do, how you can fix it so that you get views and subscribers on your channel. So guys, what is SEO? SEO simply stands for search engine optimization. YouTube platform is a very big platform where a lot of people, a lot of content creators are struggling or are active to push their content at the top. Now, this is how YouTube works. YouTube will first push your content to some viewers. So as soon as they start watching your content, then it will start giving your content to more viewers. But how do you think YouTube do this? YouTube do this because based on what you provide on your content. So that is why I want to give you guys something or some tips which you can easily fix now. The first thing you have to do, guys, is what is called channel keywords. A lot of small YouTubers ignore this, and it is very, very important to put your channel keywords. This tells YouTube what the channel is all about. So if you want to get to your channel keywords, if you want to add your channel keywords, it's very simple, guys. Go to your YouTube dashboard, go to settings. Under setting, then you see upload and channel. So search for that place and you have access to channel keyword. Make sure you provide channel keyword to your channel. You are giving 500 characters. So make sure you enter channel keyword. In case you know how to get channel keywords, guys, you can use a lot of tools. You can use VidIQ, TubeBuddy. You can also use Rapid Tag to generate keyword for your channel. So make sure you put channel keywords to your channel. That is first thing that you have to put in order to get your SEO very well. The next thing you have to do, guys, is your video title. Make sure that you include the key or the primary keywords of your content in the video title. Very, very compulsory. Don't forget that this is what the YouTube algorithm use to push your video to more audience. You may think, how does YouTube do this, guys? YouTube do this through scanning. YouTube will scan your entire content. It will scan your thumbnail. YouTube will also scan your scripts on the platform. So the more you use your keywords, so the tendency or the high chance it becomes for YouTube to push your content to more audience. The next thing you have to do, guys, is your thumbnail. You must include your keywords in your thumbnail or similar keywords in your thumbnail. For example, if your video is about to grow YouTube channel or how you get 1,000 subscribers within certain number of days. So on that thumbnail, you must include relative keywords of that title in your thumbnail, because YouTube will scan that thumbnail, thereby pushing your video to the right audience. So guys, if you enjoyed this tip till this moment and if you're not subscribed, please take 1 second of your time, tap on that subscribe button. Don't forget, guys, to drop your comment. I want to know what you think about this project, and I want to know what you want to do next, so that we try our best and give you the perfect solution to what you want. The next thing you have to do, guys, is file name. It took me almost a year before I understand the importance of file names. A lot of editing tools do not allow you or give you chances to put your file name, and sometimes if they give, the number of characters given is very small. So irrespective of editing platform you use to edit your project, make sure you change the file name to the title of that particular content. Yes, it's a kind of SEO that you need to include on your channel so that you get more view. Not only that, guys, your description is very important. In fact, the first sentence of your description must include your primary keywords. You heard it right. The first sentence must include your primary keywords. Then as you keep writing all this, make sure you include similar keywords. Now the job of it is that you can even use AI to generate your keywords. To generate your description. You can use DeepSeek, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Meta AI. Just know the proper way to prompt this AI and they will generate a perfect description that will include search engine keywords for your content. So while cracking your brain, try as much as you can, guys, to lay your hand on this free platform and generate a perfect description that will include SEO keywords on your channel or on your content, thereby allow YouTube algorithm to push your content to more audience. Another thing that I want to talk about is, though a lot of YouTubers ignore it, but I believe because YouTube include this particular feature, there must be a reason for it. It's what we call tag. Guys, always try as much as you can to include tag in your content. You have been given 500 characters. You might not exhaust all this. Even if it's just 200 or 300 characters, you are able to add tag to your content on YouTube channel. This will go a long way. It's part of the SEO that you need to know so that your video will go very well. Your content will do very well on YouTube. The last but not the least that I will talk about in this particular strategy is what we call hashtag. Hashtag is very good. It's very good, but do not overuse it. Do not overdo. Make sure you use hashtag related to your channel, hashtag related to the keywords you are using, hashtag related to the entire content you are producing or you are giving out to your audience at a particular time. Hashtag is very, very simple. In a recap of what I've just been explaining to you guys, in order to get more view on YouTube, SEO is the key. Yes, because the YouTube platform is for YouTube to make money, thereby giving you some money as a reward. So YouTube algorithm does not eat anybody, but it is because you break the link, you break the game. That is why you are not getting view. So in case you've forgotten what I've just explained, let me quickly just list out 7 key points. 7 good ways you can do your SEO on YouTube and get more view. The first one is your keywords: video title, thumbnail, file name, description, tags, and hashtags. If you include all this in your settings, give it a time, guys, your channel is going to blow. That's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you've not subscribed, please, guys, take 1 second of your time, tap on that subscription button, share this video. Don't forget, I need your comment in the comment section. Thank you, guys. See you soon on my next video.